You can easily fix the P0175 engine code by replacing the fuel injectors. This means that PCM has detected an air-fuel mixture with too much fuel and not enough air in the engine's bank 2, typically the side opposite cylinder number 1 in a V-type engine. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. Fuel injectors. The fuel injectors are mounted in the intake manifold so that they spray fuel directly at the intake valves. Inspect the leaking fuel injectors on the fuel rail. Carefully remove the fuel injector. Make sure the new injector has new seals and never use the old seats over. When you change the fuel injectors, change them all as a set. Otherwise, the engine will run unevenly. To prevent leaking, get some gasoline, put it in a cup, and then dip the new fuel injector into it. So the seals may get wet with gasoline, and it will go in and won't leak. After all, just slide all the new fuel injectors in. This error occurs in OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Mercedes, Scion, Acura, Nissan, Honda, Toyota, Lexus, and Chevrolet. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.